Hello, Rekwar. Doodle jump. We are doo-doo jumping. Lampbot, hello. Why is YouTube chat popping up twice? That's the question. Hold. We close this. We test. Why? Oh, I see. Bob Twitch, what up? Damn, we got people up in here immediately. Not first one there, nope. Rekwar, can we get a little testy test? Pixar lamp? Is that your new nickname, Lampbot? Test, okay, it worked. Nice. Sorry for being late. I know we said noon, it is about 5:21. We are about 5.5 hours late on the stream. That's on me. That's on me. Anyway, we're pivoting, peeps. I watched a video last night. I watched Doug's Guide to New Content Creators. It's like a 2-hour-long video where he goes over, like, you know, how to make content and enjoy doing it. And I've been at this crossroad. Change currency to be Boogie Bucks. Okay. We can run that. I've been at this crossroad where I'm thinking, like, I either need to, like, do content on Twitch that, like, makes a video and then make a video out of, you know, that content, or I need to, like, do these in-depth, like, month-long projects and then make a long-form video about them. But the point he made was, like, it's all at an early start. You want to find what you're really good at, and, you know, if you're really good at something naturally, it will be easier to create and more fun most of the time. And it's the fact that you should, you know, experiment. So that's what we're doing. So we're doing, like, I'm hoping, this is my idea. We're going to do Doodle Jump RTX on. We're going to use Unreal Engine. Never used it in my life. We're going to do Doodle Jump RTX on, basically Doodle Jump 3D with, like, really, you know, high fidelity graphics. And then have a week to do it. And then when that week is up, that's our project. And then I can spend the next week editing. And the goal is 2 videos a month. What do we think? W Doodle Jump? Damn straight. Let me take off this hoodie. Hold, don't look. Don't look. Nipples might show. Don't look. Don't look. Hope it works. Sounds like it could help a lot. Yeah, I think it will. I mean, we're just going to experiment. We're uploading to the main channel whatever we want, peeps. Anything we want. Okay? We don't care, dude. There's a doodle in my jump. Good one. Sentry, good to have you back, you know? Always a friendly face. Someone make an edit out of that? Out of what? Don't make an edit out of me taking my shirt off, okay? The second I see a fan cam on YouTube Shorts, we're done, okay? We're breaking up. Thanks for popping in, Rekwar. Don't look. Epic music. Make a vid, cut it into 10-second clips, spam, use subscribers with the clips that show absolutely not enough context. That's the idea. Really funny, but probably too far. What? No, I don't care. I mean, it would be funny. I mean, if it was done right. I think most things can be funny if they're done correctly. So excited we have 3 more Googles for this stream. Algorithm hack. Dude, look at that, dude. We got hella people in already. The worst part about going live to me is that moment between when I click go live and when people join. It's like an awkward moment for new streamers where you have no one to bounce off of. And you're like, so should I just start talking? Like, what if someone joins and I'm just a silent, you know? That won't be very, you don't want to stay and watch that. Anyway, yeah, so the plan is to use Unreal Engine, which I've never done. I mean, if you look at... Uh-oh. Oh no, my scenes are bugged. Ah, fuck, Lois. Screen. Where's screen? There we go. I mean, you'll see I've got these blank projects where I like started looking into it, but I've never built a game with Unreal. So we make a new project. How do we do that? How do we do that? Recent projects, project name. Can't do that. Browse. How do I do it? Oh, here we go. Games. Blank, first person. Gotta decide what I gotta do because I'm done with all my comms. What comms? Comms. Oh, commissions. Get more comms, dude. Do some marketing. I don't know how you're getting commissions in the first place, but find another one. You know what I mean? I think we go with third person template, right? Doodle, jump, RTX. Create. Gamble the money. Ooh, good idea. Sentry. That's smart. Lampot, you're 18, right? You can go to a casino. Go drop all that shit on red. Post art in Discord and Blue Sky. My friends hit me when they need art. Nice, dude. But it hasn't worked. Well, you've gotten commissions, so something's worked, right? Is it 18 in their country? I'm pretty sure they live in the US. Not to dox you, Lampot. You can gain 1,300%, but only lose 100. It's so true. This is the thing people don't think about. Okay, so we've got Unreal Engine. What the fuck is all this, dude? This looks like our hierarchy. So what's like in our scene? Yeah, if we highlight something, we can move it around. Okay. Now, if I remember correctly, it's F5 to play. No. Alt-P. Look at that, dude. We got ourselves a basic character controller. Voila, dude. Game done, dude. Add gambling. Okay, we can do that. We'll be able to get freaky and do something like that. Keep those ideas in mind. Not gambling because I have 0 impulse control. Same reason I'm never drinking. Smart, dude. It's 21 here. Bro, aren't you in the US? It's not 21 to go to gamble, is it? It's 18. Make a game that's literally just gambling without actually spending money, then spam Raxed flip note until he plays it. Is he like a Drake type streamer? Gambling streamer? My Twitch is frozen 4 times in 10 minutes. It could be because I just updated OBS. That could be on me, gamer. Gambling is always in my mind. I don't want to like persuade anyone. The gambling, dude. The blackjack table. You got 4 of your friends at that damn table. It's an emotional roller coaster that you'll never forget. But it's dangerous, I guess. He made one animation about gambling, and now he's 50% of the internet knows him as the gambling guy. I think Train's the gambling guy, right? Okay. So let me kind of go ahead and explain my vision for this. Dude, none of my things work, dude. Oh, I think I might know why. Oh, I don't know. Here, let's do this. Face cam. Let's explain the vision we got here. Hold. We're going to do this the right way, too. We're going to have a plan. We're going to stick to it. And that's how we're going to get this done in a week. Let's see this here. Basecamp game capture. Oh, yeah, let's turn on our... Oops. Go. Okay. So this is Doodle Jump, right? Do we all remember Doodle Jump? Does everybody remember? Essentially, you've got this little like alien-looking guy with a little nose, and you've got these platforms. It looks like they're randomly generated. We've done a Doodle Jump before, but except we made it in 1 hour instead of a week. So yeah, so it looks like all we have to kind of do to start is we need to change our third-person character controller built into Unreal to, you know, instead of being able to walk, every time they touch a surface, they need to bounce upwards, right? So, and then I think that's kind of the basics we should get going first. And it looks like you can pass through the bottom of these platforms, which I think is going to be a hard part. Because we're doing it in 3D, and I'm not sure if that is a common feature in 3D games in Unreal. I've won a brownie off of blackjack. That's big ups to you, dude. So let's start a plan. Let's start a plan, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. New project. Create Doodle Jump. RTX on. No. Making more YouTube videos. I have Doodle Jump in Unreal with high fidelity graphics. Okay. So let's think here. We are going to need to, one, create a character controller. What does that mean? We need to be able to move with WASD, have the player bounce every time they hit the ground. Then let's see. We're going to need to have the player. Here, should we make this bigger for y'all? Something like that. Have the player be able to pass through the bottoms of platforms. I think we will need to have procedurally generated platforms. We'll need some sort of like 3D environment, right? And let's look at what the game does, I guess. Oops. So in Doodle Jump, it's just a simple like grid texture in the background. I think for the whole time. I'm pretty sure there's like moments where the grid it's supposed to be like paper. I'm pretty sure there's moments where like the paper bursts open and there's like something sticking out of it. I don't know. There's moving platforms. We can deal with that later though. I think one thing that's going to be interesting, pretty sure in Doodle Jump, you can pass from the right side to the left side and wrap around, right? I don't know if that's a thing. Is there a way we can play Doodle Jump? Let's go private, play Doodle Jump online. Doodle Jump online. Page not found. Doodle Jump. Play. Can we pass through? We can. So I think that kind of might be an interesting thing we have to handle. Yes, you can. Okay. There's these broken platforms too, but I don't understand the point of them. We got the springy platforms. Ooh, you know what would be cool? Is if we had these platforms, say they're green, but instead we had like lush grass like all around them. You know? Instead of just being like green with black outline. That'd be kind of tight. We need spring platform, obviously. What the fuck is that sound? I don't really know how to solve the being able to pass through from left to right thing. I mean, I guess you could... I wonder if you could make it so like... You open up the old notepad. Ooh, this is a good this is a good song. Create new drawing in adjacent window. Will it embed it? It does not. So like, let's say we're looking at the top-down view of the game window, right? Like this is the game window. We got our doodly jumpy. We're looking top-down right now. It's going to be third-person 3D, right? But what if you could just move in any direction you wanted forever? And we automatically build platforms above the player. You know? I love how his name is the Doodler. Is that what it is? The Doodler? We can call ours the Diddler. Like that Always Sunny episode. But I think this could be a decent solution. Like moving in any direction we want. Forever. And then we just have to... I mean, I guess you could just like take the player, right? Whoops. You could take the player and then just get a general radius around the player. Like so. And then generate platforms, you know, based on where the player is. That brings me to another point. So we're going to need like different types of platforms. I think for the basic, we could have the basic green platform, breakable brown platform. We're going to want to have the spring platforms. And then for stretch goal, moving platforms, items, etc. Is there like a wiki page for this? Doodle Jump wiki. There is, of course there is. There's a fandom for anything in the world ever. Symbian? Isn't a Sibian a sexual device? You can play Doodle Jump on those things? We should make a game for the Sibian, peeps. Wiki content explorer. Is this it? A Hat in Time? Do they have more? Doodle Jump. History. Okay, here we go. They had a DS release? That's crazy. App icons. Okay, cool. Oh shit, there were other levels and shit. There was a Christmas level? Wait, you can shoot? You can shoot in Doodle Jump? Is this real, chat? You can shoot. Since when? What? I don't remember that at all. Here, let's plus this up here. Oh shit, we're gonna die. I do not remember being able to shoot in this game. Buying. I just want to get a gist of like how the game feels. Boing. Another kind of question I had was like, how do they determine where to spawn platforms? Like, is there ever a case where they spawn random platforms that are impossible to get to? I would assume no. Okay, his feet do a little animation thingy. Ooh, I feel like we have to do the items. See, there's the holes. So we're gonna need to be able to do that. I don't know how we're gonna do it, but we could just have like black holes. That could be kind of sick. Oh shit. This game's easy as fuck, dude. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Hello, Lasock Monkey. What a fun video idea. Can't tell if you're being sarcastic, but I appreciate you. I'll take the compliment either way. Oh, wait, oh, yeah, it is. Hubris? What's that mean? What's a hubris? Isn't that a man? Not sarcastic. Oh, okay, tight. Is that what hubris means? I thought hubris, like if you had hubris, it meant you were like kind of a dick. Define hubris. Excessive pride or self-confidence. Hubris is when you say easy to immediately die. Ah, I see. Okay, but yeah, so this is the plan. So, oh, I'm excited about this, dude. I wonder, can we see like enemy types on here somewhere? We've got different screenshots, trivia, releases, gameplay, monsters. Oh, here we go. We've got the blue-winged monster. We've got the oval green monster. We got the Rachel Vaughn monster. That doesn't seem real, right? The game idea is actually good. I know, I'm excited about it. I'm glad you are too, gamer. The Terrifier. Okay, I think we can do this, dude. We can freaking do this in 1 week. And they're referred to as baddies, dude? I mean, they're not wrong. This oval green monster is kind of a bit of a baddie, not gonna lie. And this one? Like, shit, dude. Shit. Hello, Yo. Appreciate you. Okay, so we have those. Are there different platform types we can look at? Propeller hats, rockets, springs, trampolines. Oh, there's trampolines. UFOs. What the fuck? Black hole. Black hole's the rip in the paper. Okay. So it seems like there's actually not that many types of platforms. Like, we can definitely do the moving platforms too. Let's see here. Special platforms. We have trampoline, spring. I won't call spring a special platform. Or actually, I guess it is. Trampoline. And then we have items. Oops. Jetpack. I guess what's the difference between the jetpack and the propeller hat? I guess jetpack is just a further propeller hat. Flings the player up in the air for a specified amount of time. Flings player or carries player into air for even longer time. We need some sort of scoring system. Here, let's take this out. Scoring or UI, which will keep track of the score. What else? Being able to pause. Schmeep. Who needs to pause anyway? What is this platform? Oh, shit. Okay. Those ones only show one after another, it looks like. I'm also seeing these like high scores. I'm assuming these are like your friends or something. I'm just kind of curious how they generate their platforms. UFO. You can shoot. We'll need to shoot. We need to be able to shoot. Shoot with, I guess, like mouse 1, right? Constantly aiming in the direction you are pointing. That makes sense. Let's see. The character controller is pretty basic. Honestly, I think the hardest part about this is going to be making it in Unreal Engine. Dylan Limes, what's up, pimp? I do not have a cat. Nuclear, welcome back. You know what'd be funny is if official Nuclear Sue was making a YouTube video where like he asks a bunch of creators if they have cats or not, and it's some long heist he's doing. They're doing. Did I nail it? Did I nail it on the top and the tip of the nail head? Nuclear Sue? Am I right or am I right? Got him. Got him. Someone's getting a little nervous. Okay, so the character controller I think should be the kind of first thing we handle. Have the player be able to pass through bottoms of platforms. That I'm still worried about too, honestly. Procedurally generated platforms. 3D. Okay, so this should be like... We want to be able to have a difficulty curve, or like curve for how many moving, or special types of platforms we will need, right? At a given height. Can you beat Doodle Jump? Can you beat it? Shooter journey platforms have the player be able to pass through bottoms of platforms. That is difficult. Win state. None, really. Get a higher score. Lose state. Player falls below a certain falls below screen. But screen in this case doesn't make sense because we are going to be in third person, right? Maybe we could have water that's constantly like growing beneath you. And if you fall in the water, you die maybe? Water that... How would I say this? Water that gains elevation every time the player moves up. That could work. Like within a certain threshold. What else do we need? Oh, enemies. Enemies. What are the enemies again? Is there anything special about them? Ooh, the black hole I think would be cool. We need the black hole for sure. We could try to model one. I've seen people do that in other game engines. Like make a crazy black hole shader. We could probably yoink one off the internets. Okay. Enemies, black hole. What else? Where is my... There we go. Let's try again. And this one you can only shoot up, but I think it'd be more interesting if we can shoot in any direction. Serial Springer achievements. We're not doing achievements like that. We jump it, bounce it, jump it, bounce it. So what does that one do? It just floats back and forth? There's probably one that shoots at you, right? That one just stayed in the same spot. Okay, there's a black hole. We know what happens when we go there, right? We get sucked in, we die. Bounce it, bounce it, bounce it. Okay, what does the UFO do? So these ones break immediately, and I don't think you can rebounce on them. So maybe we could have those just be like clouds. Fuck. Sorry, I left after the gambling talk. It's going. We're coming up with a plan. I guess we should probably just start by, you know, getting the damn character controller working. I'm just afraid to start. Let's see. Okay, so I also had the urge to make a virtual pet. What are those things called again? The popular ones. Okay. Let me do this. Watch this shit, dude. The power of Vim. Ready? Yeah, it kind of worked. I'm not the best at it, okay? Let's just have the black hole, and then what else we got? Excuse me. The monster's blue-winged monster with round legs, striped flapping wings, hovers midair, slight side-to-side movement. Blue-winged monster, slight side-to-side movement. Come on now. Oh, I have caps lock on. What else am I gonna do for stream? We're doing this, baby. We're doing this for the week. I'm gonna stream as much of it as I can. So the hours might be a little weird. Stream-wise. Gotta express creativity somehow. Game dev making videos seems like a good bet for you. Yeah, I think so. I'm honestly tempted about, I think I just like making things in general. I don't know if it has to be game dev. Like I went through a music making phase, and I'll be honest, the music was not so good, but I enjoyed doing it. I think I just like making things from scratch. Like almost from scratch. I like making things by myself. I'm being like, I did that shit. Okay. Here. Okay, so I guess let's just try to fucking make him bounce when he hits the ground, right? We already have the character moving around. And we have a jump. So it's kind of like we just need to detect if their feet are touching. It can't just be if their feet are touching the ground. It has to be if their feet, if we sense that they're about to touch a platform and they're moving down. Because if we want to be able to eventually move through the bottoms of platforms, we don't want to, as soon as we move through the bottom of the platform, we bounce immediately. We want to move through the bottom, come down, and bounce on the top. So we need to take that into account. But actually, though, how do I edit this character controller? Player start. Characters? Mannequin? Meshes, materials, rigs. Mannequin? I'm assuming that's content. Third person. Blueprints. Here we go. This looks like what we need. Oh god, it opened a new window. Oh my god, I hate visual scripting. I hate it. I hate it. What? Why can't I middle mouse drag? Let me middle mouse drag. Don't make me right click drag. Movement input. Okay, so my friend Austin kind of explained input actions to me. So that we really don't even need to mess with. It's the jumping. So in Unreal, they basically do everything for you, but it makes things 10 times more complicated in my head. I'd rather do it myself and like know exactly what's happening. Okay, so we have an input action associated with this. You know what we need is we need to add a collider too. Oh, whoa, okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, what am I happening? What is happening? What is happening? How do we add a collider? Capsule components. Add events. Oh, you know what we need to do? We need to hashtag our stream as Unreal Engine. That's what we really need to do. Hold on. This is going to help immensely. Uno momento. Oh, we still have a hashtag Godot. Whoopsies. Whoopsies. Edit. Not Godot. Unreal Engine 5. Unreal Engine. Help. Is there like Unreal Engine beginner? Anyway, that's fine. Okay, now hopefully people will come in and help us, dude. Let's see if my short has any merit. Okay, how do we add? Variable function? No. Add. Oh, here we go. Sphere. That's a mesh component. We need like a collider. Basic shapes, camera, chaos, collision. Sphere collision. Aha. Whoopsies. Down there is probably fine, right? I love visual scripting, but right-click drag is disgusting. Yeah, I totally agree with the right-click drag being disgusting. Visual scripting on the other hand. Cringe. Oh, a little bit cringe. Just kidding. Okay. Variable, category, dynamic obstacle, component tick, physics, enable gravity, ignore radial impulse, replicate physics, collision, generate overlap events. Wait, so if we drag this down, will we stand taller off the ground? Uh-oh, where'd our game go? No, we don't. Right? Oh my god. At least I don't think we do. Oh, don't we need to compile? We need to like compile on this engine, right? What? How do we compile? Selection mode. Wait, let's just see if we can. Can we view our hierarchy? Can we not? This is our character, but how do we see? Okay, it is on there. Okay. Now, how do we... I just want to detect if this is overlapping and then determine what it's overlapping with. You know what I'm saying? How do we do that? We had a blueprint earlier. How do we get that? Event graph? Okay, okay. Space? How do we... Okay. Overlapping? Is overlapping actor? Is overlapping component sphere? Oh, so if you rename this, jump detector. Okay, nice. So now, can we print? Print string. Overlapping. Or how do we do like an if? If branch. If true, print overlapping. If false, print not overlapping. Wait. No, we don't need this. Get rid of this. Get rid of it. How do we get rid of this? No, I don't want to add a control point. Deep breaths. Deep breaths now. Deep breaths. What is happening? What the fuck is happening? This makes you feel good, Lampbot? Dealing with these damn pieces of these noodles in your code? These damned noodles? Okay, save. Play. It could be easier if you start with a blank template. According to my friend who does Unreal work, this is better, I think. Wait, how is this ever getting called though? It's never being executed. My lord. Triggered. Like, how do we make this execute? Execute. Like, where's our game loop? You know what I mean? Wait, is there another overlapping? On overlap? Is there on overlap? Begin overlap. Oh. Okay, this is what we want. We don't want this. On actor begin overlap. But how do we determine what actor? That's not gonna run? Yeah, I figured. It's good now. But then how do we determine, because we want to see if this jump detector is being overlapped specifically. Boob cheese. Like, I'm assuming we just do like a constant string. Shape and get the event from it. What? Oh, shape. Get shape. Your capsule. Collision. Wait, but no, this thing. Where is it? This jump detector, this sphere. Look at your component list. Yes, component list. I want to detect if this jump detector, which is a sphere, see if we can find it. Right, this sphere is overlapping the ground. How we do? Boob cheese. Boob cheese, I need you, boob cheese. You're our only hope, boob cheese. Is that sphere a collision shape? I think so. Right? Shape. And then I have something on it that's like detect collisions or something. Where is it? Overlap all dynamic. Generate overlap events. Doesn't that mean it's a collision shape? Oh, you know what? Can we do this? What if we just drag this in? Yes? What do I plug this into? What is other actor? Event when this actor overlaps another actor. Need to click on your circle. What? And scroll down to overlap. Click on circle. Looking for overlap. Oh, here. Events? On component. No. Where's overlap? Go back. Collision presets. Advanced. Constraints. Your circle need to be a collision shape. Right. Is it not already? Advanced? Shape, color. How do we make it a collision shape? Try adding the circle. Again? I'm not sure, I can't see. Oh, you need to zoom in? Can I zoom in? How do I like increase the size? Viewport, window, tools, help, editor preferences. How do we zoom? Appearance, DPI support, accessibility, normal vision. No. I don't know, dude. That does make it hard to get help. On your component list, add. Right, we already have one though, you know what I mean? But we can do it again. Add. Add sphere collision, right? Do I need Austin? We did this already though. We already have it. Should we add something to this? Do we need to add a... Help my brain think. Just search? I don't know, man. I don't know what you're saying, man. Search. Add event to jump detector. Collision. Oh, okay. Oh shit. Okay. It's working, ladies and gentlemen. You know what's cool? Like when you click a thing and you click delete, it doesn't delete it always. It just decides when. Okay, this is what we want. Okay, we play. It says overlapping. Oh my god, I don't know. I don't know how this fucking works. Play. Where's our console? Output log? How do I keep that open? Bro, Unreal Engine, dude. Yeah. Eventually we'll do the collision channel stuff. Yeah, I feel you. But how do I like... Bruh. How do I view my output? Command? I don't see my output here. And it goes away when I click away from it. That's cool. That's a fun thing. Dock in layout. Okay, there we go. That print is on screen print. Oh. Okay. Okay, it says overlapping. We jump. And we have no print. Is it only printing? It's only printing when it begins overlapping, I think. Log print is different. I see. Okay. But we're not doing any printing right now, so that's fucked. Let's see. Can I like put this somewhere? Like, I want to put it right here. Print string, development only, print to screen, print to log. It says print to both. But this is on begin overlap. Here, let's find... How did I do this before? How did I find that? Add component, select component. Oh, okay. Component. Add event for jump detector. Collision. On component, awake, begin overlap, end overlap. I gotta go now. Sorry, you got this. Appreciate you, boob cheese. Condition. Oh, shit. From sweep, sweep result, other actor. Oh, okay. So we need to detect if we are overlapping. From sweep, what does this do? Event called when something starts to overlap with this component. For example, a player walking into a trigger. For events when objects have a blocking collision. See hit events, okay. What is from sweep? I don't understand what that is. Good description. From sweep. It's a Boolean. Cool. I guess we can just play it again, maybe? Alt P. We still have nothing. Why? Why you know work? It's on begin overlap, so I guess that kind of makes sense. But how do we just print it whenever we are overlapping? Escape. On begin. Can we add a variable somewhere? Camera, macros, functions, event graph, variables. On component wake, on component hit, physics state change. Select this, right click. Event. Oh, what if we have another event? Okay, what if we have an event? We do this. We delete this. We add this on begin overlap. We print overlapping. And then we have another one. Collision on end overlap. And we print not overlapping. Maybe that will work. Compile. Alt P. Nope. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. I don't understand this damn engine, dude. It make no sense, dude. I need Austin. I need Austin. Let me message him real quick. I need you. Yes, he says he's down. Yay. Do you have like a wiki or a guide on hand for Unreal Engine? I mean, I guess I could look at the documentation. I guess that wouldn't hurt. Unreal Engine. Documentation, I guess. What's new? Filter by title. I don't even know what to look up. I guess we can just look up. What are they called? What is this thing called? Sphere collision. Append sphere box with sphere collision. Setting up collisions with static meshes. Components in collision. Unreal Engine, determine if sphere is overlapping. Oh, what does ChatGPT have to say, dude? Location. Hold on, I gotta take my long johns off. One momento. Okay. Oh, here we go. Sphere collision overlap blueprint. Keep checking if a certain actor is overlapped by a sphere collision. Correct. That's what. But Unreal, here's documentation. Oh, here we go. Get overlapping actors. Okay, maybe that's what we need. Get. Oh no, let's do this. Jump detector. Get overlapping actors. You get why I need your help? We're building Doodle Jump RTX on. That's why we're using Unreal. And all I want to do right now is determine when this damn sphere is overlapping with the ground. Right? So at first I had an event on begin overlap, but it wasn't working. Like, this seems like something I could use, right? It's working. Cap. Cap, ready? I'll do it. Other actor isn't generating overlap events? Like, the default ground doesn't? Really? Collision. Oh. 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 I gotcha. Oops. On begin overlap. Wait, is that going to be... Scroll to the bottom of the details panel? I clicked the box. Call real quick, okay. Hello.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
Okay. Holy shit, I can hear myself. Sorry, I was watching the stream. So if you click on your jump detector.
Okay, this guy?
No, your jump detector in the components panel.
Uh-huh.
And then scroll to the bottom of the details panel on the right. You'll have your event bindings for this object.
Okay. Oh, I see.
It has its own unbegin overlap.
This one here.
Yeah, and you can just test it by printing out the overlapped actor.
Okay. So I would do, oops. Delete. Zoom. Print?
Yeah, print string.
Print string. Okay.
And then like other actor, you can just get the name by dragging other actor into the string.
Oh, okay. It'll automatically do that?
It'll convert if you just drag it into the string.
Okay. Okay. And that should just work?
Yeah. Yeah, that should just work.
And then do I have to compile every time, or when I play, will it just compile?
It should compile when you play, but I generally there's a setting that you can set like for compile on save.
Uh-huh. It looks like I think it did. Let me go back. Let me see. Compile again, real quick. Alt P. Minimize. Do I have like my debugging turned off or something? Is that why I'm not seeing the print statement?
No, it should be printing in the top left, but the objects, the ground still might not be
overlap
events.
Okay, hold. Click.
What up, Lambot? It's your boy.
It's the goat, dude. Dude, we had someone named Boob Cheese in here earlier telling me how to do Unreal.
Oh, sick.
That worked pretty well. Okay. Where is that? I just had it a second ago. Collision. Generate overlap events.
should be just generates overlap events. Yeah.
Right. Oh, you can't see it on my screen, huh?
No, your head's blocking it. And you're
Here, let me
50
stream on.
behind.
If I stream Discord, maybe that work, or maybe it crashed my stream. We figure out. Okay, now you can see.
Yeah, generate overlap events is the checkbox right under the physical material override.
Physical. Oh, I clicked the wrong one. Oh, I see. Okay, so this should work.
In theory. Yeah, it's working.
Let's fucking go, dude. Okay, so now I just need to trigger the jump every time that happens, right? For now, just to make sure it works.
How does Doodle jump work?
Like that. It's like this here. You just constantly are jumping off of whatever you land on.
Oh yeah, so
Oh, I need to die so we don't hear this constantly. There we go.
what's the music that I'm hearing right now? Is it your stream?
It could be my stream. Oh wait, you're probably hearing it through Discord stream.
It's fine. Yeah, so you could probably just call jump on overlap.
Just to see if it works.
Right.
Copy. Go. Jump. Now I'm worried that, okay, it's on begin overlap, so it should only be called once, right? Like I shouldn't jump super high.
Yeah, it won't.
Theoretically. Okay. And then I should have to jump once, right? Weapon. You can do multiple executions, right? Like I can drag this.
The character movement component has an event on landed. You could probably just jump on landed.
Oh.
Instead of doing the whole jump detection thing.
So would I grab this and then do
character movement component is the first component in the non-scene components list. So it's your last option right now.
Oh, this guy.
Yeah, so it should have events at the bottom, just like your other guy did.
This guy.
Yeah, so
Jump.
on landed you can just call jump.
Will it work? Hello, Mazith. What's up, brother? We're doing RTX damned doodle jump, dude. In this godforsaken engine. Okay. Nopers. Still no worky, man.
Print on landed to see how long it's taken to.
Okay.
Because maybe it's not landing right away.
Oh, it says stop jumping. Uncompleted.
You could call stop jumping before jump. On landed, stop jumping, then jump.
Okay.
Because it might on landed might not be happening fast enough.
Right. And then how do we like, I guess we can just do this and then do this. Is that how I do that?
Do you need to print something?
Well, just to make sure
No.
on landed is being called.
Because or
we do this.
You could print, but I would print like a static. I would print like a static string.
Right.
And just unplug the pin there, because that pin won't have a. It won't have.
Papa, how do I unplug the pin, Papa?
Control drag out of the pin.
Nice. Okay, thank you. On landed. Learning Unreal? Yeah, dude. Because we need it to look sexy. We need the doodle jump to look sexy hot. Okay, delete this. Dude, my delete button just hates me. Delete. There we go.
I mean, you
Okay. Control drag.
You can also double click the line to add a reroute.
Okay, we have nothing. Papa. Oh, wait, unlanded? Unlanded?
Definitely landing.
It's printing. Okay. But for some reason it's not jumping?
Can't call jump. I wonder. It's probably the CMC just like having some sort of cooldown.
On the jump.
Yeah, you could check the character movement component jump settings to see if there's like some sort of timer.
I feel like this, or like, so how would I do that?
Just click on the character movement component and then just search jump in the details panel.
Jump. Z velocity. Jump off jump Z factor. Probably not that. Can jump. Maybe that's what's fucking us.
You can definitely want to be able to jump.
Like if we run this, I'm gonna drag this to the side real quick. If we run this, we should see can jump be false when we're in air, right? Oh, it doesn't update. Okay, that's cool.
No, that's like a flag for you to be able to call jumping at all.
This one?
Can jump.
Yeah.
Like if you uncheck it, I don't think you'll be able to jump at all.
Oh, I see.
Um,
You did Godot recently, right? Just learning it all. We're making Doodle jump with RTX on. High graphics. High graphical fidelity.
And not fuck with the CMC at all.
Really?
I mean...
But won't the like the character movement be like annoying? And the camera setup and shit?
No, because the pawn has like the pawn movement component. You can still do like directional input. But also we could probably figure this out. The animations I think are just
fucking it.
Fucking me up.
Appreciate you, Eth.
Interesting.
Like, I mean, I guess I could. That's what Lampbot was saying too. Is just start with a new shit.
You don't have to go all the way back down to like the actor level. You could go down to the pawn, and the pawn has a little bit less like predetermined things.
The pawn, like, don't use this third-person character.
Right. BP third-person character is like a subclass of a character, which is a subclass of a pawn. The game mode only require to, at a minimum, to control something, it has to be a pawn. You know, based on how the player controller and the game mode works. But pawn has the pawn movement component, which is a little less in depth than the character movement component. The character movement component is like this monolithic, like client-side predictive thing.
I see.
That has just like a ton of stuff built into it. You could just have like a pawn and then just add force in the Z velocity. You could also do that here though. You could just like launch character on landed, launch character in the Z. Launch character is another function on the character that you could try to use instead of jump.
There's something called launch character?
Yeah, there's a function called launch character.
Okay. What?
You had it. It was right there.
Yeah.
And then
It's just weird.
You just want the Z, probably
100 or some shit?
Yeah, 100.
And then just run that?
And then just Z override and
then Gucci?
yeah, try it. I mean,
oh,
yeah, it worked.
it did. Okay.
You're
so we just need to hire.
You're just bouncing on the thing right now.
Okay, that's progress. That's freaking progress. Let's do like 500,000.
You're going to space, baby.
50,000. Let's go to space, baby. Run that shit, boy. Oh god. Oh no.
Hey, you immediately went to space.
It's working. We have volumetric clouds.
Oh, this is the new ones. I always replace the default clouds.
Damn, that's cool. It's just built in though.
Yeah. I think it's relatively new.
Yeah. Am I
Yeah.
stuck?
No, you're going up still, baby.
Am I?
I think so. Or you hit the top, but I don't think they're. Oh, you're going down now.
Yeah, I think I'm going down small.
Well, you
Here,
went up. Well, you're going down at gravity speed. You just went up real good.
Okay, we'll go 5,000.
500, baby. I think 500 is like your...
Oh, shit.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, so if I land on this, I shouldn't bounce, right?
If you land on the gray box, in theory, yeah.
Let's go. Okay, so we'll change it to 500. Oh, not that. 500, play. How do I like make it when I play, it automatically focuses the game and doesn't like, I guess it doesn't really matter, but.
You can do, here, click, stop real quick.
Uh-huh.
I keep looking through real quick. I realize I don't even need to look at your stream.
Yeah.
Next to your play button is the little 3-dot menu.
Uh-huh.
Just do
Uh-oh.
new editor window.
Okay, cool. Oh, I see. Okay. There we go. That looks decent. Maybe a little, not quite as high. Okay, sick.
Are you doing 3D or are you doing...
I am doing 3D.
Nice. Okay.
Full 3D, third-person character controller. I'm gonna do like, so like in the game, there's like the green platforms. So instead of it being green, I'm gonna make it like super like high fidelity grass and shit.
Mm-hmm.
And then like these will probably be like a wood with like a, you know, a wood texture with like a normal map and shit, so it looks hella detailed.
For the wood ones, you're gonna use chaos.
I guess so. I haven't even gotten there yet.
Gotcha.
I'd imagine though. But I also don't even understand why they're even there. Like, why do you need these breakable platforms that don't do anything except for break through them?
Is the game procedurally generated?
I think so, yeah. But yeah, so I got to build all these different types of platforms.
Seems like it's getting more sparse. I wonder if the brown ones are like a problem later.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe we're just not good enough to get to the late game.
That's good. That's good. Unfortunate timing. You can also shoot.
Oh, sick.
So I'm gonna need to do that eventually too. But I'm gonna make it so you can shoot like in any direction, like wherever you're facing, type shit.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, that's the plan, baby. Okay, so we have that.
Mm-hmm.
In air control. I saw that somewhere, right?
Air control is part of the character movement control component. You just set it to 1.
Okay, so it's just a factor of the normal move speed.
Yeah.
Okay.
1 is like Quake.
Okay, so. Okay, cool.
And then, yeah, I guess just make like a base platform object that has generate overlap events ticked, and then
Okay.
child blueprint classes.
Okay. And then I know in Unity, the further you move away from world 0, the worse physics gets.
Yeah, you can just in world settings, if you go back to the world.
How I do that? Oh, I do
Well,
this.
Yeah, here. And then world settings is on the right next to the details panel.
Okay.
There should be, can you search double precision or large coordinate? Type
Large coordinate. Double.
Go to the project settings, edit project settings.
Okay.
And then search for coordinate.
Coordinate. system support large world coordinates?
Yeah.
It's already checked.
Yeah, so it's just 64-bit world coordinates.
Okay, nice.
Which was added when world partition was added.
Okay.
But that, yeah, physics is chill. I think you can also rebase physics to the character's location.
Right.
Search physics in world settings.
Physics in world setting? Handler.
That's probably fine. I don't. I
Okay.
think it'll be fine.
Yeah, I'm not too worried about it.
I've never gotten so far that it like freaks out.
Right.
I
Okay.
haven't tried that hard still.
So one other question I had was that in Doodle Jump you can move through the bottom of shit of platforms.
Mm-hmm.
So like, is there a built-in collider type that like detects if you're moving from the bottom to the top as opposed from the top to the bottom? You know what I mean?
I don't know.
Okay. Because I think, I mean, let's see. I can just look it up too. Unreal. What is it? What would it be called? Unreal.
Single-sided
Damned.
collision.
Yeah, one-sided, one-way collision.
I mean,
Platforms,
in
maybe?
theory, if you had like a plane
Uh-huh.
as your collision mesh, the backside of the plane wouldn't have collision. Like if the normals were facing up. Like
Yeah.
If the normals were facing up on the Z, I think you'd be able to go through the back of it.
Oh, okay. But then how would I, render the bottom? I guess you'd have to have it in, you have to have each platform in two parts.
But also, if you're in 3D, like, does it matter if you can go through the bottom, or should you just like navigate
Around?
around?
Ooh, maybe just navigate around, actually. That's smart. I don't know. We'll have to figure it out when we get there. I guess around is fine for now.
Yeah. But yeah, I think if you override your plane or your mesh collision mesh, I think if it's a plane, then you can just go through the backside of the plane.
Oh, I see. So just use a plane collider instead of the mesh collider, whatever's assigned to it.
Yeah. So because you can override what mesh the collision is, or you can override the shape of the collision with a static mesh. And then your collision is just cheap as fuck.
Okay, so how would I go about creating I would check base on velocity. Positive Y can go from under. Boob Cheese is back. Welcome back, Boob Cheese. Negative, it can follow through. I don't understand, but we'll figure it out there. Okay, wait. So if I wanted to create like a prefab of a platform,
you would create a blueprint actor.
Blueprint actor.
So right-click blueprint class. Yeah.
Do this one.
Yeah. And then we'll ask you what you want it to be. You just want it to be an actor.
Sure. Okay. So this would be like default platform. Okay, and then I can probably open this, right? Yeah. Yep. Okay. I see. Okay. And we can add.
Yeah, you just want to add a static mesh component, probably.
Cube.
Sure.
Cube. Cube. Change size of cube. Not that one. Change size to be like that. And then we save. Compile. We go back to our world. We have cube.
And then you just want to in your blueprint, not in the instance. In the blueprint, you want to set the collision settings to generate overlap events.
Right, right. Which it already has, which is dope. Collision presets, block all dynamic. Negative is it can't follow through. Positive Y, check base on velocity?
I think
on the object, Bucci's?
I think based on velocity, he's talking about world coordinates again, maybe?
Maybe.
And then I think positive Y and negative is can't follow is related to the collision thing we were talking about.
Right. Okay, so if I change this, if I add, so we'd want to add a collider plane.
It has one.
Oh, okay. It has
the
one already.
component just has, or should just have a component. Yeah. So what you
We
can
need to
do,
override.
if you scroll up in the details panel, you can see what the static mesh of the static mesh component is.
Oh, I see. Okay, so we could go plane.
Well, you can do that, or you can, if you back out real quick, and just click the little magnifying glass.
This guy or this guy?
Yeah, right there. That'll take you to where the object is. Oh, it's static.
Content drawer?
It's default content.
Right.
You have to change the settings in your content drawer to see it. Control space also will open a content drawer.
Okay, settings,
and then you want to do show engine
show developer
content,
engine content.
and then you should be able to see the cube.
Okay.
So if you double click the cube, it'll take you to like the static mesh settings. I wouldn't change this one. I would duplicate the static mesh, the cube mesh maybe. But if you scroll down on the right, there's collision settings and
Double-sided. Oh, double-sided geometry.
Well, that, and you can also set the complex collision mesh to just be a plane.
Instead of customized collision.
Right. Well, no,
Okay.
customize. So right now you can do show collision on the left. There's a little in the viewport. There's show on the top left, and then there's collision.
Simple.
Yeah, so that's showing you your simple like quad collision. If you do show and complex collision, it'll just show you the triangles of the object. But if you override complex collision mesh to like a plane, it'll show you the collision of that plane.
Okay, so let's duplicate, right? Let's not do it in here.
Yeah. So close the cube.
Close cube.
And then control space to do the content.
Right. Okay.
And then,
Duplicate.
Yeah. And then
one-way cube. Open that ass, girl. Opening that shit up.
then
Show
complex collision.
Complex collision.
And then you override the complex collision mesh.
This one. This one.
Yeah. And then find a plane.
Editor plane. Plane? Static mesh?
Yeah. So now it's showing you the edge of the collision, but you can't see it because your cube's too big. If you scroll up on
Oh, is it the blue?
Yeah.
Okay. Scroll up. Sorry. Scroll up where?
Well, you can just... I'm curious if it'll scale or if you can move where the collision is.
Right, like if it'll scale when I make it 2x.
Right, if you change it should scale the collision mesh with it, I think. But you can save it and just set this as your one-way cube.
Like go back into our...
Into your blueprint, yeah. Which you should have a tab open for right now on your other window.
Oh, right. Default platform.
Yeah, and then change static mesh to one-way. Yeah. It's already scaled, so it just is.
Okay.
And then can you do...
Save.
Yeah, I guess just try to jump to the, pull it up in the world and try to jump to the bottom of it.
Okay. How do I go back to that? Oh, it's over here. Wait, what the fuck?
I don't know. You have tabs open in 2 windows. Just drag your tabs to 1 window.
How do I do that?
Just drag the tab.
Can I drag it here?
Yeah, drag it up.
Oh, epic.
That is who
Epic.
made it.
Epic, dude. Okay, cool. And we move this up to like there, maybe,
Yeah.
and play.
You should like go halfway through the thing. But
Okay, it did work on bouncing, which is good. Okay, let's move it again. Hold up.
You might just need to turn off the bounce real quick. Or just
So then
put
how-
it up high, just put it up high in the air, I guess, and just try to bounce under it.
Yeah. Oh. I can't tell if I'm under it. I can tell. Nope.
Oh,
Okay.
nope.
Okay.
Hmm,
Maybe double-sided is on.
maybe double sided is on.
Double-sided generally not on.
Off.
Customize collision. Maybe it's the specific type of plane we used.
Yeah, it could. I guess it could be. It's plain mesh.
Oh, I have an idea. So right now it's showing, you're saying this blue line is like where the plane collision is, right?
Yeah, I just think it's zeroed out in the
But-
world space.
Why is it showing the green still though?
Because you're showing simple collision.
But that collision should be off, right?
You can do if okay. So what you can do is go to the collision menu up top.
Oh, up here.
Yeah, and then just do remove collision.
Ah.
And now if you do show simple collision, it probably doesn't have it anymore. Ideally,
Yep.
yeah. But you
Okay.
overrode the complex collision, so now you should have only that plane as your collider. So try it again.
Swap
you're
this
cute.
over.
Yeah, you're cute. Yeah, you just.
Okay, now we're going. We're going through it.
That's true. But you are going through both ways.
Right. Customize collision.
You could do. Does the Doodle guy? Does he ever go?
I have a feeling you're about to say what I was also thinking. But continue. We'll see if we were.
Instead
on the
of
same page.
using colliders, just use the what'd you call it? The jump or the something detector?
Jump detector, yeah.
Use the jump detector to check the class of the object you're hitting, and just launch the character if it is base platform.
Yeah. And then for detecting if I get shot or if I hit an enemy, we can just have like that. Well, we could turn off collision for our normal collider, except for bullets only or something, and enemies. Right?
Well,
Oh, wait, I see what you're saying.
so what I'm saying is on overlap, like if you go look at your character real quick. So on other actor, pull out of other actor and do a get class. And then you can check if class is equal to the default platform.
Is that how it works? Actor? Can I just search for it?
Just do equals.
Oh, equals. Oh, right.
You're checking equality, and then you can just select your default actor or default platform class. Yep.
Oh.
And then using that boolean, you can do a branch. And then move launch character to in this case, yeah. So you're gonna want to. What you are gonna want to do 100% though is spawn the character on top of a default platform.
Right.
Because you're gonna launch the character twice this way, and you want to drag from on begin overlap into the branch.
Right.
For your flow of control.
Wait, but I'm still convinced that we can do it using the way you were saying earlier.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure you could. I just had a secondary idea.
Right. One idea I had was like while I'm jumping, or if I'm not, while I'm moving up, I disable collision, and then if I'm moving down, I enable collision for that thing.
That is probably.
And then I'd have a secondary collider for getting hit by things that just doesn't interact with platforms.
I mean, you still have a collider right now. The platforms just don't have colliders.
Right, but like I would have
also would your begin overlap might not even fire if your platform doesn't have collision. So I could just be, an idiot.
you know. But okay. Go back here. Like, so what I'm saying is so we can get the velocity of our player at any time. If they're moving up, we turn off collision on ourselves. So we could have like a get velocity, right? That's the correct thing. Target being self.
Yes, or you can get the actor's up vector and make sure it's just positive.
Oh, is that a different thing?
Yeah, get actor up vector will return a normalized.
I see. Okay.
So you can check to see if it's positive or negative, and then.
So how do I get like the Y of this or the Z or whatever it is?
You can split the struct. So you can right click the pin and split struct pin.
Oh. Oh, okay. And then we're doing the Z.
Yeah. And just greater than 0 or is positive.
Right. Compare. Greater than 0. Okay. And if it is greater than 0.
Then you just use your branch.
Right. But so 1. Let me delete this shit.
Yeah. And then just do. Right. Okay. So, I would do.
This set disable collision. Welcome back, Sentry. How you doing, brother? Accessor.
Well, there's like a. No, you have to disable collisions on the specific components, or you can disable all collisions on the actor, which I believe actually might just be the one. No, it's not the one you have.
Can I just do this?
On the capsule, yeah, you can do.
But how do I get the capsule?
It's the function is set collision enabled.
Oh, okay.
And then you just do new enabled. I think that's what it's called. Set collision enabled.
Oh, here we go. Okay, cool.
Change the enumerator. And then false, you can just do. You can do the same. You can just reuse this and just do on false set enable collision.
We're doing it. We're doing it.
The question is, how do you want to call the branch?
I know, that's what I'm like. How do I where's my update loop? Incendium, what up, pimp?
It's event tick.
Event tick, thank you. I was wondering that earlier. I was like, how the hell do you fucking.
You can also set like a.
Delta seconds?
Well, no, you can do a timer. You can also do it. I mean, you could do it event-based, but I'm not really sure how you would do it event-based.
No, I think this is fine. I don't need it to be good. This is just for a video, you know? I think maybe 5 people will play this game.
Yeah.
We're going for speed.
Yeah, the Unreal norms are gonna just flame me for using that too.
Yeah, that's good for engagement.
Fair enough.
Okay, so
Your
okay, so
box-
that seems to be
yeah,
working.
Yeah, go to your static mesh and well, it's you don't know if it's working because your static mesh still doesn't have collision.
Right. Well, it's working on the ground, right? I'm still like it's
Oh, you're
collision is
bouncing
enabled. Yeah.
Right, but you're only disabling collision on your capsule component. You're not disabling collision on your jump detector. But if you just clear the that and then now you just have complex collision.
Okay.
But you can do what you want to do is go to the collision menu on the
Right.
top left, and then just do add box collision,
Okay.
and then save.
And it should work. It should freaking work.
Maybe.
It's working, kind of. Let's see. Can we go through the bottom? Okay. Oh, I think that happened. Oh, the camera is fucking up, but that's fine. We can fix that probably.
You just turn off collision on your screen.
Okay, and then another thing is we need to only. Okay, I know this one. I know how to do this one. Watch me, Papa. Look what I can do, Pop. This one, launch character only if we're moving down. So we get our dam up. We damned do a check. Only if we're moving down. Less than 0. Branch. That ass. Branch. Bazinga. Yeah, I thought about that.
It would have been so much more confusing.
Yeah. Okay, so if our Z value, if we're moving down, then on begin overlap. Fuck. God, dude, the noodles, man. The noodles confuse the shit out of me. What is this execution loop? So on begin overlap, we check.
It's the white one. It's the white
If less than if we're going down, yes, true, then we launch character. Okay, we just try it. Who are we debbing with? This is how to do downhill.
I'm just a guy.
He's just a girl. Fuck, dude. Okay. God damn it. Okay, what if we spawn our character a little bit off the... What if we do this?
Yeah, your velocity might have been...
We do that, right?
Yeah.
Fuck. No. Okay. If it's false. So if Z is less than 0, this should work, right? Oh, you know what we can do actually though?
Oh no, your up vector is always going to be positive.
Oh, because it's
if you're standing, because it's just up.
Oh, okay.
You do want your velocity in the Z. You were right.
Okay, wait, but what? Okay. Second thought though.
Okay.
What if we also disable the collision on our jump detector, the same way we do it here? Know what I'm saying? So we do this. We grab this fucker. Plug that in.
Yeah, that's...
Plug those in. And
that is wise. One thing I just noticed is that you're setting no collision all the time.
oh, am I? Oh, fuck. Okay.
But you definitely want to change get actor up vector to get velocity, and then just get the Z from the velocity.
What?
Well, up
Say it
the
again.
actor. If the actor is
instead of-
rotating, your up vector is always going to be +1.
Right. So we want to do get
You want to get
velocity.
velocity.
I see.
Get the Z from there.
Velocity. Split. Oh wait, no. Split Z. Boink. Boink.
And then you can also do that check for your launch character idea.
Okay. Wait, so this one collision enabled, right? That should just be default.
Yup.
Okay. And then what did you say before?
Well, your jump detector is only query collision though, I think. Because you're just checking.
Oh,
your
right.
blocks. You don't need to
Right.
block anything.
Query and probe, or just query only?
Just query only.
Okay. You run it, and it should work.
Well, no, you want it to be off on if it's true.
Papa, what did I do, Papa?
I assume it's hitting itself.
Oh.
So do
I see.
We'll do no collision there, but
Mhm.
then before your launch character, just make sure the overlapping actor isn't the owner.
But I think there was something in the description that said, like, it ignores owner.
Well,
Let's see. Jump detector. I thought I saw something like that. Where is it? Collision settings. Give me.
maybe advanced.
Well, I'm just trying to get it to hover and give me the description.
No, you don't get one of those.
That's nice of them to do. I got one of those for that one. Oh, it's working now. Just not for this one.
It might not have. They're like, this is just self-explanatory enough.
Physics ignore self, maybe? Is there like an ignore self? Ignore only pawn.
I don't know. Pretty sure ways you can just like check to make sure the other actor isn't this actor.
Okay. So other actor.
Is like not, or is not equal. So bang equal.
Okay.
And then you can just do pull off the pin and do self.
Wait, what? Oh, like this?
Yeah, self.
And then boom. Like that?
Yep.
Okay, we run it. Oh.
You go to the bottom.
Oh. Baby girl, dude. Okay. That's kind of GG's. Oh, this game's gonna be hard as fuck now that I'm thinking about it. You're gonna have to like. Anyway, that's fine if it's hard. Okay. So now if I just, go here, create more of these. Fuck. Like so. It should just work. Fuck yeah, dude. Appreciate you, gamer. Okay.
Anytime.
Okay. I think I'm gonna try to figure out the procedural generation, but I kind of want to see if I can run it. Okay, this works. Yeah. Yes. Okay, wait. One last thing. Okay, so default platform. I want to tag it as a platform, right? And then have the camera ignore that as a collision. You know what I mean?
You can
So the camera arm doesn't.
set the. You can add a collision profile to the project settings.
Okay. Edit project settings. Collision.
Yeah.
Object channels.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then you can do default response to be ignore, I guess. And then go to your default platform. Set the collision object type on the cube to be platform.
Category.
No, it's down in collision settings. It's probably in advanced, actually. No, it's in collision presets. Do custom collision on the block all dynamic. And then do object type.
Oh, look, camera.
Yeah.
Can I just do this?
Do ignore.
Oh.
You can do that too, probably, actually. Well, no, that's a trace response. So that's like a...
Like recast?
Yeah.
Okay.
But the camera...
Oh, object response platform?
Well, you can probably just set the camera to have no collision. Is there any reason you need collision on the camera?
Nope. Nope, there isn't.
So I just go to the character, go to the camera, and then disable collision. Make sure there's no collision on this. It actually might be the spring arm that is the collision.
Oh yeah, that makes more sense.
And there's a setting.
Yeah. Do collision test?
No. Yeah, uncheck.
Uncheck. Play. Nice. Nice. Okay, tight. Tight. Okay. Cool. Okay, well, I can run into them when I'm going sideways. But I guess that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. It's not a big deal. Boom. Boom. Okay. Okay. Dope. All right. Well, I may need your help more later, potentially. But I appreciate the help. La Gamer. Hey, you know what this means, too? You know what this means? Your boy's learning a little Unreal. So, you know, for future endeavors.
Yeah.
Might be helpful.
Very good.
All right. Thank you, brother.
Yep.
Later. Dude, the goat. Sorry, Chatterinos. We had to figure that out. How's everybody doing? Incendium, how you doing? Just had to check in. How'd the bot game go? Bot game was good. Although I'm not necessarily... I don't know. We'll probably finish them if we have nothing to do. But I wasn't having much fun reviewing the games. Not gonna lie. Hence the pivot. I'm so tired but not sleepy. Yee skeet beat. Okay. Okay, so we have the basic. I mean, I think we can kind of increase the... Let's increase the movement. I'm pretty sure I can do this by myself. Let's see. Bob Winkle, what up, pimp? Welcome back. Okay, how do we do the movement? Excuse me, sorry. Third person character, auto tick, camera, component tick, clothing. Must be in here somewhere. There's probably a reference to it. Movement input. Here we go. Add movement input. Arrow component. I know it's here somewhere. Is it under the capsule component? No. Get scale value. Action value X, action value Y. How far in are you? We just started, Bob Winkle. We literally just started. Right now, we've got the basic... Oh shit, what'd I do? We've got the basic character controller done, really. The thing I thought would be the hardest, which was going through the bottom of 3D platforms, ended up being not so bad once we figured out a good solution. But I think what also will be hard, the hardest part about this is going to be the Unreal part. You know what I mean? I just don't know how it works. So it's going to be a slow, grueling process, but once it's done, it's going to look so gorgeous, dude. But right now, I'm trying to increase the movement speed, which I know I can do. So, I mean, I can do this. Where did I find that before? Animation, mesh, materials, camera component, component tick, clothing, physics. Dude, you're gonna make so much money off this. I know, dude. I know, dude. We're gonna be billionaires. All of us together. Navigation. Activation. I wonder if we can just search for it. Speed. Max walk speed. There we go. Let's change that to like 10,000, dude. Fuck it, dude. Play. Oh, I see. We have acceleration on. We want to turn that off. Chain together all the Bennett Foddy games. Is Doodle Jump 3D going to be a Bennett Foddy game? A Foddian game? Okay, walk, swim speed, fly speed, custom move speed. How do we change acceleration? Oh, you know what it probably is? It's probably drag on our character, I'm assuming. Clothing physics. Linear dampening. Linear damping. Advanced? Is it linear damping? Inertia conditioning. Let's look up acceleration. Max acceleration. Okay, perfect. What did I just do? I lost my mouse. What the fuck? What is happening? $10,000. All P. There we go, baby. Now we're talking. Let's change this to like 100,000. By the way, I turned up my programmer swag like we talked about and landed a girl. You're changing lives? Dude, hell yeah, dude. Follow these simple steps. Land yourself a beautiful partner. Congrats, brother. Did you tell him about your dynamically allocated arrays? Or your log n algorithm? Okay, we definitely just need to turn down max movement speed. Let's go 5,000. Still too much a little bit, I think. I think that's a little too much. Okay, let's go like 2,000. Okay, that feels pretty good. See, but we want him to stop moving after input. You know, right now if I click forward, he moves forward a bunch. We don't want that. Deceleration? Oh. Opposing force. Oh, okay, so let's change this to be like 10,000. Still not enough. Max value. Don't worry, I got another beer. Okay, hell yeah. Why is this not? I don't want any acceleration or deceleration. I just want the character to move when I tell him to move. Braking deceleration? Fuck it, 24-hour dev thing again to try to make a bad virtual pet? Are we holding you to this? Still not decelerating fast enough. Oh, it's because jumping and falling, that's why. There we go. Okay, we want a little bit, actually. Let's make this like 5,000. What did I just do? Did it just crash? It crashed. I swear if we lost everything? If we lost everything? No, I'm not sending you my bug report on Unreal. You don't deserve it, dude. You don't deserve me. Launch. This is why you save. I know. Okay, I know. This has been a problem for a long time now. You'd think I'd learn. I bet you send Unity your bug reports? Hell no, dude. Hell no. Ain't nobody get my sweet, sweet bug reports. For lovers only. Okay. Detected that it did not shut down cleanly and that the following packages have autosaves association with them. Would you like to restore? All? Restore selected. I don't need revision control. Bruv. Oh. Oh. I don't see my platforms. Thank you. This is why we don't use Unreal, ladies and gentlemen. This is why we don't do it. This is why you stick with the light. This is why you don't use it. This is why no one should use Unreal Engine ever. Ladies and gentlemen, take this as a warning. This could be you. Imagine. You build the character controller of your dreams.
Wake up, filthy.
Thanks for the follow. You build the character controller of your dreams just to have big game engine shut you down. Get rid of everything you've done. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. No, I'm not giving you my fucking bug report. It crashed twice. Back-to-back crashes. Give me a warning. Give me a sign. Honor just gave me this chocolate though, that should help. Let's get Jawbreaker. Yummy. I just lost all my work. The game engine crashed. And we lost everything. I mean, not that much, but relative to how much I knew how to do, it was a lot. Thicky. Okay, we have our default platform. Hold on, let's see. Collision. Wait, generate overlap events is still on. Wait, our platforms are back. Wait, what the fuck? It crashed again. It crashed again. What do I do? Do we have to send our bug report? Is that the problem? Unreal really doesn't want you, huh? I guess not. This will be a funny part of the video, though. Yeah, that's the hope. Hopefully. Okay, I'm getting water. For fuck's sake. Okay. Let's see. It's every time we click play, it just doesn't work. Project settings. Save. What if we change it to be selected viewport and then play? Nope, it crashes. What is happening? Is my computer just shitting the bed? I think there's an access violation somewhere in your code. For what? Okay, I need your help, Papa. I'm gonna boot it again. Launching. Jesus Christ, dude. Oh. Opening. Give me. Initial crash was a null reference exception to the owner of a scene component. And that crashes the fucking engine. Jesus Christ. I guess maybe there's probably a reference we're missing somewhere. Okay, let's close. Drag this over. I guess let's just start looking through our shit. I gotta sneeze. I gotta sneeze. I can't sneeze. Oh, wait. Okay, there's that. On land, it is fine. Wait, we have this too. We should take this out, right? Yeah, we don't need this. If we're not ourselves, unplug tick and try that. Save. We're gonna crash in 3, 2, 1. Oh, yeah, there it is. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Use Godot. Use Godot. Just use Godot. You know what I mean? You don't need all this. Let's be honest, you're not a AAA studio. Why do you need this? Why do you want this? Access violation. Hello, sound effects guy. First time chatter. Welcome. Access violations means it's having trouble reading your memory. This could be RAM, GPU RAM. I can't promise this will work, but in your content browser, right click on your content folder and select update redirector references. Okay, we might have a not sending you my bug report. Not sending it. We might have a lead, ladies and gentlemen. Appreciate you, sound effects guy. Let's give it a whirl. Dude, this is the thing, man. I just released a little short about this, but like if you just stream your development and, you know, hashtag it like based on the engine you're using or whatever tech you're using, Blender, whatever, A-Sprite, all that shit, people will come in looking for that tag as a viewer, and they're willing to help, and they usually know a lot more than you do. It's like having a tutor, free tutors. It's amazing. The community is just goated. Okay, let's see. All right, what'd you say? We go content folder, control space. I know how to do that now. That's pretty cool. And then then what they say? Right click on the content folder, select update redirector references. Fix up redirectors, I'm assuming. Yeah. Okay. Play. And it crashed. Use Godot. Use Godot. And use Godot. Use Godot. The text changed in a recent version. If you ever need tutorials on Unreal Audio, I have a whole YouTube channel dedicated to tutoring it. Link it. Put it in the chat. Text changed if 5.4. I don't know what I'm using. I'm using 5.3.2. Everybody go subscribe to the sound effects guy. Let's peep it. Let's peep it. Subscribe. Oh shit, you got quite the damn catalog, brother. Goddamn. Everybody subscribe. All 4 of you. Yeah, no problem. 5.3 was kind of buggy in my experience. You don't say. What do we do here? God damn it, bro. We've been working on this for how long? 2 hours. We've crashed 10 times. Jesus Christ. Insane. Move your platforms and save the map. Moving. All of them? How do I save the map? Just Control S, I'm assuming? For safety. What? This is funny, dude. This is so funny. Jesus Christ. What is the bug? We haven't done anything. You need editor symbols to see the reference. How we do that? I guess let's just hit Google. Unreal Engine 5.3 crashes every time I click play. System not meeting your game's requirements. Cap. Caparonian. We were streaming twice. We're streaming 3 times earlier. Nothing happened. Oh, wait. Go to library. Library. File. Oh, in the launcher. A 2070 Super. Should be fine. Epic launcher. Yeah. Oh, library here. Library. This is game library. Unreal library. Right. This one. Oh. Library. Edit your engine version. Unreal Engine section in the launcher. WUD. Epic Games launcher. Unreal Engine. Oh, library. I see. Okay. Oh, what is this? Update available. Right, obviously. And then what'd you say? Options. Editor symbols. Apply. Close this. Oh, but I'm on 5.3.2. Oh, I see. Options. Enable, apply. Queued. Do it. Do it. Apply. Why is it queued? Also, maybe update your project to 5.4 or 5.5 when you get a sec later. Isn't that like 1,000 gigabytes? I kind of want to delete this so it'll go. Just do it off stream. Yeah. Now they're both queued. Resuming. Okay, perfect. Send. I should delete it. I'm doing it. Oh, dude. I couldn't recommend on Godot more at this point, brother. For anyone out there, remove. Uninstall that ass. Click downloads. Uninstalling. Maybe it ended, I don't know. Maybe the libraries. No, nothing installing your downloads. No. Jesus Christ. Sound effects, you got any games we can test while this is uninstalling? Big engine trying to get you down. I'm saying. Fuck the big engine. We're all about the little engine that could. Speaking on Godot. Okay. Unreal Engine, more like the big engine that couldn't, dude. The big engine that crashed. Every time. Okay, it still says queued. Okay, we restarted. We restarted. Unreal Engine. Library. It's still queued. I do actually demo release this past October or fall, full release coming this fall. What? Ooh, what? Don't fret. Stylized first-person psychological mascot horror game set in a musically themed world. Play as a guitar named Fret to solve puzzles, escape from foes, and uncover a mystery behind harmonic heights. Whoa, dude, this looks crazy. What the fuck? What the fuck? You're not solo, are you? I'm assuming. There's no way. This looks too good. Team of 12. Okay, I was gonna say, I was like, holy fucking shit. Damn, it looks sick, dude. Wishlist that ass, ladies and gentlemen. That's sick. Bro. I've never wanted to stop using this game engine more. Check the downloads link. This? It done? Are we sure? Options? Okay, okay, okay. Okay, it is done. I don't want to apply anything. Launch. I've worked on on a few others in the past, but they weren't in Unreal. Well, fucking bless your heart for going on Unreal, dude. You're a trooper. Is it with the same team always? How do you get work done with a team of 12? Do you have a manager? I'd imagine it's just be hard. Is this Final Fantasy 7 Final Fantasy 7 song? I love the soundtrack. Or not Final Fantasy 7, Final Fantasy 15. Spent a little time over at EA, so it was Madden 18 and 19? Goddamn. You're a whole ass professional man, dude, or woman. Or whatever, you know? That's crazy. So did you like make the players' outfits sound better? Play that ass, crash that ass. Okay, ready? Give me a crash, ladies and gentlemen. Love that. We just love that, don't we? Unreal. You really know the way to my heart, Unreal Engine. Okay, so theoretically, empty exception. How did you see that? Commentary dialogue editor on 18. Music editor on 19. Oh shit. Wait, have you seen the have you seen the dialogue for like I think it was 2K? But they had like they had the actual players do the dialogue and it ended up super fucking bad. Hold on, where is it? Let me try to find it. NBA 2K horrible dialogue. Voice acting. This shit. Hold on.
All right, because if I have to learn anything, it's that you have to tune out the noise. Only thing that matter is what happened between the lines. Do the work, listen to the coaches, and the result will take care of themselves. Because at the end of the day, it's not about the money, the nice hotel, the private jets. Remember that, and you will be fine. Okay?
Yeah. You're right. He's right. We got too much talent, and we work too hard to be playing like this. We got to get this train right back on track, real quick like.
That's right. We all have that attitude. The train will be rolling in no time. Let's do it.
Who
Yeah.
would have thought
About what?
that a young buck like you could actually do the right thing and avoid getting his sorry
I had a
butt kicked
teammate
out the
hold me
game?
back. He told me to chill.
Sounds like a wise fella to win in this league. You need all hands on deck. Good call. Check it.
The ref should have checked his cell. He was trash all night.
Only thing we can control there is ourselves. Forget the ref, the fan, even the opponent. Handle your business, and the rest will take care of itself. All right?
Like, I feel bad because obviously these guys aren't voice actors. And I don't know what EA or whoever made these was thinking when they decided to add a story mode like this. So funny. Anyway, I'm assuming you did a better job than that. Right. I could only hope. Well, how long is it going to take to fucking install Unreal Engine? This is a rip, dude. Two games that are made by Take-Two Interactive. Okay. I just think EA makes all sports games, I guess, in my head. Dude, I'm flabbergasted about how bad this is. Like, how... 5.5.1? Think that work? Okay, so if I do this, can I port Doodle Jump RTX to the new version? Yes. Yes, easy. Okay. Sure. In the meantime, how about, where'd it go? Let's do a little bit of this, dude. Let's check out sound effects demo if we can. What was it called again? Fret? Don't fret. Is it gonna be spooky scary? Under recent projects, you need to select Doodle Jump, and it'll ask you if you want to make a copy of it for the new version. It's fine. I'll just fucking remake it. There's a few jump scares in it. Okay, okay, spooky time. Spooky, spooky. Oh, my computer's really slowing down though, because I'm downloading both. An encoder error occurred while recording. Encoder AOM AV1 is taking too long. Oh shit. Did I just lose my recording? That'd be annoying. Still streaming. Okay, good. Go here for now. Bum, 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 bum. Beep, 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 beep. I won't lie, there's a few bugs in the demo. That's all good. That's fine. Bugs in a game? Fine. Game-breaking bugs in a fucking game engine? We hate that. We hate that. Although this game crash thing will make a great YouTube short, I must say. My content brain is not minding the crashes. Ooh, music kind of goes a little hard right now. Okay, it is installed. Don't fret demo. What the fuck? Let me try a different encoder real quick. Can I do that midstream? Settings. Output, recording. I don't think I can. Unfarch. Okay, let's go here. Let's go here. Output for, hold on. Don't fret the audition. Wavelength game. Where's game audio at? Oh, that's right, that's right. I gotta go back here. I'm guessing you're probably using OBS to stream, but OBS might not. Yeah, I thought about that, but it was working fine. For most of it. There's not much we changed before the crashes and after the crashes. I'm trying to think what we did last, actually. I forget. Can we hear the game? Okay. Demo is free of any DMC copyrights. Comes music. All tracks in Don't Fret are original compositions. Okay, dope. Play. Spooky. Damn, we got cutscenes in here, dude. Cinematic.
Mara. Mara. Mara! Open up! It's me. We're gonna be late. Did you change the locks on me? You've gotta be kidding me.
Oh no.
Where's the boy?
Abusive father.
Mara, go get me friends. You're not getting away with this!
Fred, go hide.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, dude. That was a real ass fucking trailer. Secret rooms. There are secret rooms and hidden. Oh.
Where am I?
Oh shit. Great size. 121 fragile. Conduct truck movers invoice. Oh, 2,500, dude. No, I don't got bread for that, dude. Just got finished with the month's delivery. The kids are going to love the new conductor machine. I noticed the main power was busted, so I wired a temporary fix around the school. See you next month. I left your keys to the lobby in the supply room. Okay, so we need to go to the supply room. This way. Damn.
Well, I guess there's no turning back now.
Spooky. Lobby. Okay. So we need keys for that, right? Is that a supply room? Damn, the models are amazing. Gold coin. The conductor. Shit.
Fred! Hello! I was wondering when you'd finally find time to pay me a visit. How tragic that it's here. You may call me the conductor. My sworn duty is to look after the students of Harmonic Heights, but now my sole purpose is to orchestrate your escape. I don't have much runtime, so let me cut to the chase. The puppet master's pulling
And the voice acting is good as fuck.
Star pupil inside of the school. They're after your talent, Fred, and will do whatever it takes to seize it. You'll see what I mean soon enough. Speaking of strings, you appear to be missing a few. Here's something to help you tune back up. Unfortunately, a card is the best I can do in my current state, so you'll have to find somewhere to exchange it for the real deal. Fred, the only escape from this treachery comes in the form of talent canisters. Locate them in the school and bring them to me. Do you
Voiced by
understand?
Nerdcore?
And do hurry. I'll miss you.
Dude, did you wait? You did the sound design for this? I didn't like that. I don't fucking like that. Excuse me. When do I get a flashlight? Quick question. Oh, there's something. Batteries. Oh my god, this is the door that opened. Fuck that. Oh my god, I don't like it. Oh, the drips on the camera are sick. You're a monster. You let her know too much, and now she's missing because of you. God, I can't even look in the mirror. My own reflection disgusts me. It's all started with a simple kindness, escalated to Rachel's disappearance. Now I have one more chance, one opportunity to seize everything I've ever wanted. Sorry. To redeem myself. It all depends on Fret. This time I must stay in the shadows. Key. Oh, we got another coin. What's this? Work order.
Jay, are you there?
What is that?
Jay, I need to speak with you.
Did implementation of a few of the sounds, but the majority of sound design was done by Rocket Music.
What can I do for you?
Another nerdcore artist. Oh, okay, cool.
I was looking through the security footage from tonight,
Hi.
but I've got bad news. He's here.
You did?
That's impossible. The students have been sent to their rooms. You know I'm only
We're
with
feeling
an
shitty.
access card to even get into the school at this hour.
Jay, trust me. He's here. Fret is inside the school. Not to make matters worse, but she's here as well. I've been hearing the walls rattle all night.
I haven't heard her for months. It's way too early for this. You sure?
I'm afraid so.
Doggo, yeah. Koji, come here.
And bring him to my office. Now.
Come. Koji. Come. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Hi to the chat, Koji. Oh. Hello. Say, I hate Unreal Engine. Can you say, I hate Unreal Engine? Can you say it? No, you're free. Let me just check the status of Unreal real quick. Still installing. How is it? Okay. Going through. How long's the demo, by the way? Oh my god, it's so fucking dark. We have a coin now, though. Oh my god. 30 to 60 minutes depending on how in depth you look at stuff. You can speed run in 9 minutes though. There's a TV with a bird on it. My first day at Harmonic Heights, I was hoping they would make a big sis my buddy. But I was paired up with Rachel. I've heard she is incredible. An incredible violinist. So at least I'll learn from her. Okay. Damn, dude, it looks fucking... Oh!
Don't take another step. Fred's not here. I sent him away.
Oh, you did you? Where would you even send him in this town?
I told you, he's not here.
I don't believe you. I know he's here.
You're a monster.
Oh, shit. I go sleepy time. Let's link up tomorrow if you're getting crashed still. Okay, appreciate you, brother. sound good. Yeah, I should probably call it 2, honestly. But that demo looks sick, dude. I wish I had more time to play it, but it's already kind of late. So, Chatterinos. Oh no, Tori. I'm sorry. The VOD will be there though. Welcome, Tori. Sorry. No, don't be sad. I might stream tomorrow. Anna's gonna be gone, so I'll have nothing else to do. Around the same time. Same bad time, same bad channel, etc. Thanks, man. Appreciate you taking a look. No problem. Thanks for your help with the Unreal shit. God, I hate Unreal. God, I hate it. I can't wait to be done. But we're going to try it. We're going to work our way through it. Because dare I say we're going to make the craziest looking doodle jump in the world. The craziest one, dude. It's going to be the bestest doodle jump you've ever darn seen. You guys hear the music, by the way? Oh, yeah, nice. Tori, how you been? Been watching Squeak still? Squeakington? I've been watching him again recently. I kind of want to try that game he was playing. He was playing like Trick Shot or some shit. Yeah, he just ended. Oh shit. So does that mean I should start streaming after Squeaks? Try to get his viewers when they inevitably go to the software and game development category of Twitch. Although I see software and game development as the new Mario 64 of Twitch. It's like a niche, you know, it's not that many there's not that many streamers doing it. It's not a bloated category. They do like pirate software over there, I've heard. Oh shit, okay. Oh wait, watch this story. Hello, chat. How are you doing? When I was working at Blizzard, and I was hacking the government computers with my mainframe, we ran into a lot of different issues. And for that reason, that's the reason I started my own independent game studio. Motivation. You can do anything you want to do. You can make a video game if you want to. That's my Thor costume. I gotta work on my impressions. Squeaks has got some good impressions, dude. I need to be more like him. I need to work on my Obama. What does he say? Sasha? Malia? Sasha, Malia, go to bed. Isn't that what he says? Do a Sag impression? Now you have to get a gaggle of ferrets, yeah. Here. The thing about ferrets is that they are capable of so much. They're also cute little guys. So, when I started my ferret sanctuary, little did I know, I'd love them as much as I do. You know what? Oh my god, I thought my computer just crashed. Is this a Sag impression? Wait. Is that what he says? Wait. Dude, it's so crazy how willing people are to come in and help with other game dev stuff, dude. It happens every time. I just put a short up on my YouTube channel explaining this concept. Because I feel like for new developers, if you're working on something, and you're banging your head against a wall and you can't find like solutions online for a bug you're facing, just stream. Perfect 10 out of 10. Lit. Sasha, Malia, go to bed. How about my Obama? Sasha, Malia? Sasha, Malia? How does he talk? Okay, the song ended, ladies and gentlemen. The song ended. Thank you for coming. I might stream tomorrow. Let's see. Anna's going to be gone. Let's see. What time do I work? Here, we'll run the song back. No awkward silence here. Awkward. Let's see here. What time do I work? I work at 11:30. Yeah, so I can stream tomorrow night. Let's do it. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna try to fix the fucking Unreal issue, dude. Jesus Christ. If I can't stream and work in Unreal, I might just switch. Goodbye, Tori. Goodbye, sound effects guy. Thank you for coming. Come back soon. We'll be on tomorrow. Let's call it 5 p.m. We'll be on. Ladies and gentlemen. Goodbye. Goodbye, all right. Goodbye, all right. Goodbye, all right.